One of the top organization actions is Edit Organization. To edit your organization, go to moment.com and tap Login. If you are already logged in, you will land on My Organizations page. In this case, Rachel is the admin of both Redwood Grove and Redwood Grove Summer. By tapping Admin Dashboard, she lands on the Organization Dashboard of Redwood Grove Summer. Under the Organization Actions, she can tap Edit Organization. Here she can edit basic info, which includes organization name, description, and URL. Optional info, which includes the logo, website, and email address, as well as locations and tags, which can be created and applied to specific programs. Finally, under the Questions and Waivers section, custom questions and waivers can be created and applied to specific programs. After clicking Save Changes, if you are curious to see how parents will see the organization, simply click Switch to Parent Side.